In this HeyGen tutorial, I'll show you a quick workflow for creating TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts in bulk with your own AI talking avatar clone without filming yourself. By the end, you'll know how to turn one short script into a ready-to-publish video, then repeat the process to create a factory line of AI content where a believable version of you shares your ideas and expertise. First, head across to HeyGen using the link below. Create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once you arrive at the HeyGen dashboard, we're going to go straight to the avatar section and select our AI clone. And then click Avatar. This is where you can select your own talking AI avatar clone. If you haven't already created your AI avatar, watch this video here to see how to do that. It's much easier than you think, and you can do it with just one photo or a short video. That tutorial also shows you how to create and optimize a cloned version of your own voice. Alternatively, if you don't want to use yourself, you can select one of HeyGen's pre-made avatars. There's a large library to choose from. For this example, I'll be using my own clone, podcaster in black rib sweater look.
AI avatars can completely change how you present yourself on video, but there's another part of your online presence that most people overlook: the photo representing you everywhere else. Most people know they need a professional photo, but organizing your photographer, a location, and outfits can become a whole process. But this AI tool lets you create the entire photo shoot for free. View the results first and only pay for the photos you actually love. So this part of the video is sponsored by InstaHeadshots, by the way. Now I'm going to create a professional photo shoot directly from my phone using normal photos I already have. So first I'll enter a few basic details, then upload several clear selfies and casual photos from different angles. And they don't need to be professional. InstaHeadshots uses them to understand what I look like, then creates polished headshots with different outfits, backgrounds, and styles. So here's a bunch of photos I took from my recent Europe trip. Okay, so my photos are uploaded, and now I'm going to generate the shoot. And while we wait, the big question is whether the results look professional while still genuinely looking like me. Okay, let's skip to the results. Wow, flicking through these, they're genuinely impressive. They actually look like me. I'd use, say, this one on LinkedIn, and then this one for a more business casual look. And then that one could easily become my profile picture. Honestly, I'd say that 80 to 90% of these would be very hard to pick as AI. The clothing, angles, and background are really on point. And the best part is that InstaHeadshots is free to generate. You can see your entire photo shoot before paying anything, and then you only buy the photos you actually love. And if none of them work for you, you don't pay. And for under 100 Australian dollars, I've basically got a full professional photo shoot in minutes. Just take a look at these InstaHeadshots full screen after I paid. The detail and resemblance is incredible. Use the link in the description and code TimHarris10 to get 10% off any headshots you decide to download.
Okay, back to my avatar. So I'll select that avatar, click Use in Video, and then choose Build Scene by Scene. Because we're creating content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, select Portrait Mode here. This gives us the correct vertical 9:16 layout before we start building, so everything is already sized and ready for short form publishing before we add a single word. Now enter the script you want your AI clone to say. For short form content, I generally aim for, say, a focus script that runs for about 20 to 30 seconds. That length is enough to deliver one clear idea or takeaway without losing the viewer's attention. If you haven't got a script ready, open up ChatGPT and use this prompt. Write a punchy 20 to 30 second social media video script about, and then enter your area of expertise and the specific topic you want to cover. Ask it to start with a strong hook and end with a clear takeaway. Copy the finished script, paste it directly into HeyGen, and quickly read through it to correct any awkward wording before you move on. Small fixes here at this stage save you from regenerating later, saving you valuable credits. Next, select your clone voice so the AI avatar not only looks like you, but sounds like you too. And if you want to get the most natural result, watch the tutorial I mentioned earlier. It covers how to optimize your voice clone so the delivery sounds much more human and less robotic. Once you've selected your voice, go through the available optimization settings and adjust the delivery of anything if it sounds off. Then preview the voice before you generate anything. Getting the voice right at this stage is what makes a finished video feel believable. And if you haven't cloned your own voice yet, you can also select one of HeyGen's pre-made AI voices as an alternative. Next, add captions so viewers can still follow the video when they're watching without sound, which is pretty common on most of the short form platforms these days. Choose a clean caption style, make sure the text is easy to read, and position it so it doesn't get covered by the interface elements inside some of the social media apps. Simple and clear always works better than anything too decorative here. You can also add background music to give the video a bit more atmosphere, but keep the volume down low. Your clone voice should always be the main focus, and the music should sit quietly underneath it without competing. Once you're happy with the script, clone voice, captions, and music, preview the audio one final time before you hit generate. HeyGen will then process everything, create the finished video featuring your own talking AI avatar clone. You can then review the completed video and, depending on your account, download it directly without the watermark or use the available sharing options. Now let's have a quick look at the result.
AI videos used to take hours. Now they can take minutes. If you're still recording every single video yourself, you're probably wasting time. Tools like HeyGen make creators and small business owners turn a simple script into professional looking videos fast.
Now that is super lifelike and believable. Honestly, when I show my friends my avatar, most of the time even they can't pick that it's not the real me. Once you've got this workflow down, things start to get really useful because you can now repeat this exact process again and again. And once you know the process, you can pump out videos super quick and really scale things. Create a new 20 to 30 second script, paste it into HeyGen, use the same AI avatar clone and clone voice, swap the background or change the visual style, and generate your next video. That gives you a repeatable factory line of AI videos of yourself that you can consistently publish across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels without setting up a camera, without setting up lighting, and without even recording yourself every single time. Script, AI clone, video, publish, then do it again. Watch this video next to see how to create your own HeyGen AI avatar clone and clone voice, as I mentioned before. It shows you the entire process using just one photo or a short video. Also, subscribe to the channel for more AI updates just like this. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you there.